I have panels scheduled for delivery in April. I was just looking for, as far as site setup, what is the recommended, uh, upon delivery, what is the recommended setup? What's your experience on that?
When it comes to staging the panels themselves, you also, it's nice if you have some room. The panels are not going to come off the truck in order. I tease our loaders that they have a degree in Tetris, because since our panels are fairly light, it's never a matter of loading a truck until meets the weight limit. It's until it meets the cubic footage limit on the truck. So in order to get as many panels as they can on the truck, they don't pay very close attention to the numbers on the panels. They look at the sizes and make sure everything fits together. And it's the funniest thing. You'll be unloading a truck and you get to this little gap in the middle between panels, that there's this little hole, and they put a box of clips in there or something is in there, a box of sealant, so that they can use as much of that space up as possible. So then when the truck comes, we like to see them off the ground. So if you can have some 2x material or something available, that as you're taking them off, the ideal way to unload the truck is with a SkyTracker telehandler. Lull, we all call it something different. That's the easiest way to unload the panels. Get them on the ground and then start working at staging them as far as numbers go. And so often when I go to a job site, the first thing I'll do is go out to the panels that are sitting there, and I'll just start rearranging the panels into the biggest numbers on the bottom. And it doesn't matter if they're necessarily in order, as long as the biggest number in each stack is on the bottom, then you can just keep taking out the top of each pile for the next panel that you need on the deck. Once you start building, you can put a lot of panels on the floor deck. You already have your deck built. Now you can move the panels up to the floor deck once they're not going to be in your way, and start laying them out up there.